You can download the answer in the video for free, link in the description. The assert keyword is a condition-based keyword that will create an error during runtime when the game is playing. If the condition inside is false, this can allow you to stop the game in the case that a condition that should always be true is false for some unknown reason. And in the case that the condition is true, then nothing will happen and the game will continue to function normally. Also, like other conditions inside of Godot, such as the if statements, you can also use AND to combine conditions for a single check. And you can also use OR as well, which both AND and OR will act the same as they do inside of an if statement. Additionally, in the case that the condition is false, you can also attach a string or message that will print next to the error, allowing you to have an easier time to understand why you were checking for this condition. And because this message is a string, you can also use str to construct a string that might also include values of variables. Now, while the assert keyword is similar to a breakpoint in the terms of usage, it should be noted that there are some important differences. The main one being is that assert only activates if the condition is false, whereas a breakpoint will always activate. This makes breakpoint more of a general debugging tool, with assert being used for cases where a condition should never be false. Another benefit of assert is that it can hold a message with the error for additional context, although you may want to use a breakpoint in some cases as you can still continue the game after a breakpoint, whereas assert creates an error, meaning that you must restart the game, fix the issue, or remove the assert to continue playing. Additionally, both require a line of code to activate, as a breakpoint won't work if there is no actual code on the line. Even if you put a comment, it still won't work. An example of where you would want to use the assert in your game can include a simple 2D top-down game, where your player has a take damage function of some kind, and here we can assert two conditions, one being based on the amount of damage being received by the function, ensuring that the damage can never be negative or zero, as that case should be impossible, and in the case that it does happen, we want the game to immediately stop, as it might take some time during testing for such a condition to occur, which would make a breakpoint more annoying to deal with in the case that we use that instead. Additionally, you may also want to check if the health is less than or equal to 0, as in this case that should be impossible, as when health is less than or equal to 0, the game should restart immediately, meaning that this assert will only occur if we are calling the take damage function multiple times on the same frame. Now you have a basic understanding of the assert keyword and how to apply it to any of your Godot games, and don't forget that you can check out the project files, look at the description.